Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 4. This is Section 2.8, Problem number 4. It says complete the computation 3/4 minus 9/16. So this is a problem where we need to make the denominators match or find the common denominator. And I prefer to write these in a vertical format. So we will write 3/4 beneath it 9/16, and then we'll make that a subtraction. So my two denominators are 16 and 4. 16 is actually a very good common denominator. 4 and 16 both divide into 16 evenly. So next to each fraction, I will create an equivalent fraction that has a denominator of 16. So for the top fraction, some value times 4 turns it into a 16. Well, that's times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So the numerator of 3 must be multiplied times the same value of 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And then the lower fraction, the denominator didn't have to change. It was a 16, it stays a 16. So if the denominator stays the same, then the numerator will also stay the same, 9. The numerator was 9, it stays 9. So I've created an equivalent problem that has the same denominators. We've changed the problem into 12 over 16 minus 9 over 16. Now the denominators match, and I can just combine the numerators. So the answer will have a denominator of 16, and for the numerator, I'll just subtract 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3, so my final answer is 3/16.